a 32-inch outdoor entertainment system with a built-in DVD player, as well as so much outdoor storage space. Sportscoach is so great because they give you extra tiles in case anything happens inside your coach. There's pass-through storage, and even a one-side outlet for tailgating purposes. And as we walk around back, you'll notice the 7,500-pound hitch. It also has a ladder so you can access the roof if sports fans want to watch and get a bird's-eye view of the race. And now I'm behind the wheel. It has a picturesque window so you can get a great view of the road, and it even comes with day and night shades that go up and down at the touch of a button for privacy and to block out the sun. If you're not as small as me, you might want to adjust your wheel. It's very simple. Just like if you were driving stick shift, you press in your clutch and then your wheel will move to whichever level you desire. The driver, conveniently located, is also the hydraulic leveling system. The Dinette is so great because it can fold down for additional sleeping space. It has seat belts built in for passengers to ride on the road, and there is convenient storage space right underneath, built in. Now we're into the kitchen. It has all soft close guide drawers, so you won't be banging around as you're driving down the road. It features stainless steel appliances from the large basin sink with a pull-out sprayer faucet to the convection microwave and the 2-burner induction cooktop. If you notice all behind me, there's so much storage space for all of your kitchen needs. And the big stainless steel refrigerator. And now we're into the living room, which is my absolute favorite part of this unit. It has a spacious leatherette L-shaped sofa, a fireplace built right in with a large flat screen TV atop with a sound bar so you can hear your favorite shows throughout the coach, additional storage space up top, and the coolest part is this drop-down salon bunk for when you have additional passengers on the road with you. How cool! Now there's sleeping space for everyone. Now we're in the bathroom. It features a porcelain toilet, Korean countertops, a stainless steel sink, and a large shower with a seatbelt in with a beautiful glass shower door and a skylight above. As we walk back into the bedroom, you'll notice we pass by 2 large wardrobes. One is prepped for a washer and dryer, so if you're going to be living on the road, you might want to add that feature in. You'll notice this large queen-size bed and even more storage space next to me. You're going to see there's a 32-inch TV, and you can hear the AC is on to keep us nice and cool. For more information or to check this unit out for yourself, come to Dillon's RV Center, located at 2190 Delsea Drive in Sewell, New Jersey, or feel free to give us a call at 856-228-0090. I'm Autumn. Have a great day.